Sorrento. It's a little small street that she recommended we walk down. This is where we're getting the limoncello. Lots of little places to shop.
The eruption of the volcano. The volcano erupted in 79 after
facing the streets. The shops were built on the street. We can recognize the shops.
Tower of Justice.
No, pero quiero decir que
This is the first form that we use, and this is divided in 3 layers, okay? The first one, the middle one, and the third one. Remember that we want to work on the middle layer, okay?
Beautiful pieces that were all carved out of seashells. I love those bangles.
Pieces of wood in different kinds and colors, all put together to create a single opera. How does the artisan get to do something like this? He'll start off by cutting 24 thin layers of wood, different kind of woods. Then each layer will go one at the top of each other to fix them all with nails barely visible by the eye, and the drawing will go at the very top. In our case here, we're the drawing of flowers, but could be grapes, landscape, whatever. Then what I'll do is a little hole nearby the desired part of the drawing, so interiorly, he'll introduce the spring of a movable blade. And once he'll pass it through the hole, he'll be able to cut for 360 degrees non-stop throughout the design. Only thing he needs to do is the backing, otherwise when he lifts up the veneer from the counter, all the pieces would fall off. And the backing is done with gum tape. Plus, at this stage by the light, we can appreciate more the work of the artisan so far. Why is that? We'll be able to see all the saw cuts through it. Look at that. Wow. Amazing, isn't it?
Yeah.
Plus, when you touch it, it feels smooth, like if it's been hand painted, but of course it's not. And then the artisan